Hey, Penny. Oh, hi, Jack. Guys, what time is it? Is it time to eat? Or is it time to open up vintage silver? What do you think, Jack? Penny, what do you think? Yeah, it's time to open up some vintage silver. And it's time to eat. Friends, this is what Jack does after he has a full belly. And he knows I'm trying to edit a video. Jack, you are just one special cat. You know that? Say goodbye. Goodbye, buddy. Okay, guys, what I have here is more vintage silver. That prior video seemed to do pretty well, and I like watching, vintage silver videos. It's from the same batch from the batch of vintage half dollars that I got. There's a video, maybe I'll put it in the description, or I'll link it after this video is over. But it's from the same batch of these beautiful 64 uncirculated Kennedy half dollars. They're beautiful. I don't want to dwell on those because, as I said, I made a whole video dedicated to them. So what we have today, I have a roll of beautiful or brilliant uncirculated 64 Philadelphia Mint quarters and a roll of 59 Denver brilliant uncirculated dimes. As you can see, whoever took care of them very well. They're wrapped in aluminum foil. So let's go ahead and open these up. And it just looks old. You know what I mean? Look at the tape on here. It just looks old. You don't see wrappers like this anymore. I'm very excited, actually. I want to make sure I'm in the shot. The camera is actually in front of me, so I got to make a note. You know what? This half dollar will be the marker right there. Okay, so I can't go past that. So let's go ahead and open this up without further ado. We're going to do the quarters first. And if they're anything like the halves were, the whole roll will be wrapped in foil. Look at this. Look at this, guys. How cool is this? It's like Necco wafers. Did you ever have those when you were a kid? Wow. All right, let's see here. Look at that. I have never heard of anybody putting, coins in aluminum foil. I assume it protects them from toning. I don't know what the logic was, but we're going to go ahead and open it up. And it's from 1964. So what is that? I don't know, 58, 57 years. These could have been, encased in this aluminum foil. Very exciting. I tell you what, they feel like they've been wrapped up for 50, 60 years. Here we go. That's what I was looking for, a place to start. All right. Let's go ahead and unwrap these, or unroll them here. Ooh, look at that. Let's get them out of the foil and onto the black background here. Obviously, I chose the black towel for a backdrop. Oh boy. That's a pretty sight. Look at the light hit off of those. It's like a Las Vegas, I don't know, casino. All right, let's see here. Here they are. Yeah, they're all 64s. Feels strange opening up quarters. I'm so used to doing halves. Beautiful coins. I'll look at these obviously closer, But for now, I'm going to go ahead and spread them out on the backdrop. So I'm going to pause it for a second. Here we go, guys. I figured I would just take the camera off the tripod and maybe just hover over them. They are beautiful. They are brilliant uncirculated. A little closer maybe here, some of these. Look at that. Wow. That's incredible. Very pretty. That's awesome. Okay, let's look at some dimes. Okay, guys, let's move on to some dimes. Put something there. So there's the marker. I can't go past the pen. All right. Again, here's our roll. It just feels like an artifact. It almost, the paper that the wrapper is made of feels like it's disintegrating in my hands. So this will be fun. All right, let's see here. I tell you what, rolling up those quarters, I could not get them back in the roll. I felt like I was rolling like a cigar or something. So it got to me wondering, whoever rolled these obviously must have torn the wrappers so they would fit back in. So it just tells me these have been in here a very long time. Look at this. Looks like a roll of certs, doesn't it? If you're under 25, you probably don't know what certs are. Ask your mom and dad about them. All right, here we go. These are not certs. Now, certs are actually, they don't make certs anymore, but I would still say these are more valuable than some breath mints. Let's see here. I can just find a starting spot here. Here we go. Oh, this is going to be fun. Guys, let me know in the comments. Do you like stuff like this? Do you want me to do more like unboxing? I enjoy it. I mean, I'm just, looking for different aspects for the channel. All right, let's roll them out of here. Whoa. Look at that. Look at how is that in the shot? Yeah. Look at how the light hits that. That's pretty cool. Let's just look at one here. Yep. 59 Denver. Get one in the shot here. Hope that's in focus. Looks pretty good. I'll get them set up on the table and get another shot of all of them here. That's awesome. Okay, guys, there are our 1959 Denver Roosevelt Brilliant Uncirculated Dimes. They're all beautiful. Some are better than others. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod here. See if we can maybe get a little more tight shot. You can always pause the video if you want to see for yourself, but boy, they are pretty. Let's get a little tighter here. Look at that. Uncirculated from the 50s, guys. 50s. Okay, guys, I decided to take one last shot, a money shot, if you will, of all the vintage silver that I bought, including the halves, which I will post in the end credits if you want to watch that video. We've got the dimes, we've got the quarters. That's really cool. I mean, that is vintage silver, uncirculated, which is great. Guys, hey, if you like this kind of stuff, please drop me a comment, hit that like button. It really does help. Oh, there's one more over here I forgot to add. There we go. Be sure to, check out our other fun videos. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. And, see you later.